5 reasons to consider video marketing as part of your strategy. The 5 reasons to consider video marketing are: boost engagement and brand awareness. By creating visually appealing videos, you can increase the brand's visibility and awareness. Increase conversion and sales. Posting videos of your business's products and services on your web page is a more efficient way to increase sales and conversion rate. Improves SEO and web traffic. Google algorithm focuses on videos in search results, which can help your web page rank higher. Builds trust and credibility. By showing real-life satisfied customer experience, you can build credibility and rise as a trusted authority in your industry. Offers flexibility. You can use it in many ways like demo videos, explainers, webinars, and much more.